Some people ask, well, what is the now? Define the now. What is it really? And what is eternity? It's such a hard thing to imagine. Eternity. When you think of eternity, what do you think of? What comes to mind? And for most people, eternity means a very long time. A really, really long time. Not just a long time, but an extremely long time. But eternity actually isn't a long time at all. It has nothing to do with time. Eternity is actually the ever-unfolding now. It is always now. Always. And every time you look, the now is unfolding some more. Always unfolding. Never stops unfolding. This is what eternity is. It's not a long time. That's not what eternity is. It's the now. And when you put yourself fully in the now, you do feel as if you are in a timeless moment. The now is timeless. The now doesn't have a measured certain amount of minutes. The now isn't even a few seconds long. The now is a timeless moment that never ends. This ought to twist your brain, because the brain, the mind, it doesn't like to think of things that aren't in linear time formats. This is how the mind is programmed to operate. The human mind is meant to work inside the idea of time. But time is an illusion. It began, right? So therefore time ends. So therefore it's an illusion. If you're ever wondering what illusion is, just ask yourself, did it start? And then the answer is, therefore it ends, and therefore it's illusion. The only thing that's not illusion is that which does not appear and disappear, that which does not begin and end. And that's consciousness. So stay here in the now. This is where eternity is. This is where your eternal self lives. So live here, in the now, in the eternal, ever-unfolding moment. Because even when time ends, the now is still here. Even when a universe comes and it goes, the now is still here for the God Self, for the eternal consciousness. It's not that complicated. So many people make it complicated to be here in the now. There's no formula. There's no steps. There's no instructions. Just be. Awake. Here. Now. In the ever-unfolding eternal moment that never ends.